Good day, sir. I'm Maricar Valdez from BSIT 2D. IPT 101 Midterm Laboratory Activity 2. Apply the Java Event Listener function to your Lab Activity 1. So, ito po yung Lab 1 ko po. Yung code. So, itry natin i-run. Tayo mag-fill up. So, ito na. Try natin. To complete the registration form, enter your full name or name, then select the gender, female or male. Female. Choose a unique username. Then, create a secure password. Then, retype it in the confirm password field to ensure it matches. Dapat magka-parehas to. Ulitin ko na lang. Then provide a valid email address for verification. Then next, phone number. Next, address. Then zip code for location. 25. Then select the country from the list. So may USA, UK, Canada, Korea, Philippines. So yung Philippines. So ito. At the end of registration form, the submit button is used to send all of the information you have entered to the server for processing, typically resulting in account creation or confirmation if everything is valid. And the receipt button clear all the field in the form, allowing you to start over in case you made mistakes or change your mind about what you entered. And last, close button is used to exit or hide the form without saving or submitting any of the data, often seen in pop-up or modal form, where you can simply close the window to cancel the process. So, try natin i-submit. So ito. Try naman natin yung receipt. I-receipt natin. Nawala. Then yung close. So, ayan lang po sir. Thank you po.